What's up, guys? It's Osirus. Welcome to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, let's get right into this video. Today, I want to show you a platform you can use to connect with different music creators from all around the world. And the name of this platform is audiopeeps.net. So let's check this out. So I was sent an invite to join Audio Peeps by Tim, the creator, and it's free to join. And this platform has helped me connect with a few people from different parts of the world. And there's another thing I like about this platform apart from connecting with music creators, and I'll show you that in the video. Come to audiopeeps.net and join, and you can join and create a free account on Audio Peeps. And once you've joined, you have a public profile on Audio Peeps. Let's check one of these profiles. Let's see Dave Cherry. And Dave is a musician and composer from the United States, and he uses Ableton Live. And Dave makes alternative, electronic, and film music. So your profile will look something like this. You can put in your URLs, your demos for your audio, and you have a public profile where people can check you out and connect with you, can message you or chat with you from the members chat. So that's the basics of connecting with people on Audio Peeps. So you can also filter the kind of person you're looking for. So let's see, if I want people that produce, let's see, I want to work with some film and soundtrack producers sometime in the future. And let's say I want people that make film music. So I can just see some people. That's me here. You can see some people here. And let's say I want people that make film music with FL Studio. Boom. So I have UDI Audio and I have J. Williams here. They produce film music with FL Studio. So I can easily collaborate with both of these creators here. So that's really cool. The filters are very, very good. So let's say you're building a new studio and you want someone to set up the room treatment for you. We can just select room treatment here. Let's reset the filters. We can select room treatment here, and we have these three engineers here that can treat our room for us. Two in the United States and one in Germany. So if you are based in Germany, you can just have GB Mastering to set up your room treatment for you. So this is a really cool platform to look for people that do different things in music, and these filters help you track down the particular person you're looking for in detail. The other thing about Audio Peeps is it has a forum, and you can post some things on the forum, help people discuss some things. Let's check all posts. I've posted some things here myself, and I posted this one. And this is a comparison between Superior Drummer and Steven Slate drums. And this is a very detailed comparison, and we have some discussions in the comments here. So that's really cool. And the thing I said I'll show you that I really like about Audio Peeps is the inspiration database. So let's check this out. So this is just like a database of sample libraries, different sample libraries and different instrument libraries. And you can just search what you're thinking of, the type of instruments you're thinking of, and this will give you an instrument or a sample library that does that particular thing. So let's try this out. So let's say I'm looking for voices, choir, mixed choir, and I have these different libraries here, and I know this one is a cheap library, $60. I can just use this and it takes me directly to the page. So let's see, I'm looking for, let's see, drums. Let's find drums, drum kits. So let's see the drum kits here. Let's search for some acoustic drum kits, and I can sort by price. Let's see some affordable or free. If we can find any free drum kits here, let's just sort by price. So I see this is $0. This is Modo Drums by Akai Multimedia, and I can check their websites here and see if I like these drums. Let's preview this. So yeah, those are really nice drums. And this just sorts out different drum kits by their prices, and this, it does exactly what it says it does. It's an inspirational database. So this is really cool. This helps you. You see some free choirs here, this haunted choir and some other cheap choirs here. So that's the basics of Audio Peeps. It was created to inspire you, and it was created to help you connect with music creators all over the world. So go check this out, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.